In front of me is OnePlus Nord 4, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids and get this app from Mad Scientist developer. Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Theme. When it's ready, open it, and to mute the music, hit consent and tap on note icon at the bottom left corner. Then use this gear at the top left corner, adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. And when you finished, click at the top right corner. Then bottom right corner, set as live wallpaper, yes, and finally apply. Lastly, decide where by tapping on one of those options and close your app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!